Can you sell enough STL files online to actually buy the Bamboo X1 Carbon? This is something I set out to find out from the 1st of January this year, and I'm still in the journey and the process of finding out, but we are well on the way to getting there. So this is week 8 of this experiment, and let me show you the results so far. So last week we had 850 sales in total, and this week we have 872 in total. So I sold 22 prints or STL files this week, and let me show you the number. So I have made a total of 64.42 euros this week, and I sold 22 in total, and that makes it a total funds of 847 0.19 euros, and we are still missing 521.81 euros, but we are getting there. So these are the files I sold this week. One Hardenstein, a customizable birthday dragon with name and age, or age. 4 leprechauns and a hat, a cute little St. Patrick's Day print I did recently. I sold a baby love serpent commercial version, 3 kingfishers, 4 clovers, which is also a St. Patrick's Day dragon design. I sold a Hocus and Pocus Bad Catch of Mischief. Sold 1 whole lotta dragon, normal version, and 4 of the commercial versions of whole lotta dragon. And I also sold an axolotl dragon. So we still have a bit of way to go with the 540 euros that's missing, but we are getting there and it's been quite the journey. I am really, really happy for all the sales and I appreciate all the support. So if you want to support this journey, there's a link in my bio for my Cults 3D page. Go have a look at my files and see if there's something you might like and maybe help support me in this journey. Take care, guys. We will see you again next week for week 9. Bye-bye.